Hello, good day. My name is Marinol Darm, and on this video, I will be showing you on how I can help in automation using Zappier website. So right now, we are on the home screen of Zappier website. So what I did, I opened a browser, and then on the address bar, I typed in Zappier.com and then enter. Now we are on the home screen. If we don't have an account, we just need to create one. So on the upper right corner, you will see sign up. We can just click that. And then it will ask us for our information, for the email, first name, last name, and then sign up. Or we can also sign up using our Facebook account. For me, I already have an account, so I will just hit this one, continue as Marinol. This is my account in Zappier. Okay, so right now we are on the home page of our account in Zappier. Just a quick tour on Zappier website. On the dashboard, this is where we can see templates, ready-made templates or zaps that we can use. So we can search here, we can click next. Okay, and a lot more. And then on the zaps, this is where we can see the zaps that we already made. So these are the zaps that I've made already. And then on my apps, this is where we can see the apps linked to our Zappier accounts. For my account, I have ClickSend, Facebook page, Google Calendar, Google Docs, and a lot more. And then for the task history, this is where we can see the tasks that we've made. We can see here the deleted task, the draft, the stop, the one that is success. Okay, and then for the Explore, this is where we can see all the apps available. So here, and also there are categories. So if we click most popular, it will show us all the most used application here in Zappier, like Google Sheets, Gmail, Twitter, Slack, and then we also have for app families like Amazon, Facebook, Google, and there's a lot more here. And then for the get help, so for example, we encounter error and we don't know what to do, then we can just click get help to help us fixing the error, like to troubleshoot the error. Right now, we are on the free plan, and I already made 10 zaps in total. So if we want to upgrade plan, just click on upgrade plan, and then it will show the plans that they offer. So they have $19, $49, $299, and $599. And when we scroll down, it will show the inclusions of the plans. Okay, let's now try to make a zap. We can just click here. So let's hover on the sidebar and click the make a zap. And then it will show us the first part of making the zap. So when this happens, so um, uh, this will be the scenario. My task is to create contracts for our clients, and my boss wants to be notified every time on her email once I made a contract using Google Docs. So to do that, let's choose Gmail, or so let's choose Google Docs, since this is the one that we will make. And then let's choose new document. So every time I made a document inside any folder, my boss will be notified via email. And then click continue. Then click search and select. So let's add a new account. Okay, and then click continue. Test trigger. So it will go inside the Google Docs of the email that we've selected. Okay, and then click continue. And then it will ask us what do we want to do when a new document was made. So let's choose Gmail, since my boss wanted to be notified via email. So send email, continue, and then Gmail account. So this is the email that we will use. Okay, then continue. And then on this line item, we will type in the email address of my boss. Let's say and for example, we wanted to add more or additional email address, we can just put comma and then type in the email address. But for now, only this one. And then we can also put the CC or BCC. And then for the from, let's choose this. Then from name, this is the name that will appear on the sender. So for example, I am her secretary, Miss Secretary. Oops. And if the line items doesn't have this word required, we can just leave it as is. So for some, I will just leave it as is. Then for the subject, let's say I created new contract for our client. Okay. Then for the body, this will be our message on the email. So for example, hi boss, I created a contract for our new client. Please check and sign. Oops. Okay. And then just hit continue. Okay, so for this one, we have an option to test and review or test and continue. Let me choose test and review. Okay, so it says here that a test email was sent to Gmail just now. So let's check the Gmail. So what we will be checking is the Gmail of my boss. Okay, so here we received the email. So let's open it. So as you can see that on the from or on the sender, it says Miss Secretary, and then on the body, hi boss, I created a contract for our new client. Please check and sign. So it will notify my boss that I already created a contract. So she just need to check it and sign. Okay, so now let's try to make a new contract. So since that we verified that that we received the email, the test email, so we can click done editing and then turn Zap on. Okay, so please make sure that the Zap is on so that it will work properly. And also we can name our Zap. For example, new document with boss will be notified if new document was made. Okay, and if we click go to my Zaps, it will show the Zaps that we've made already. So this is the one that we've made. So just turn it on, just keep it on, and then let's try to make a document. Let's test it. So in Google Docs, let's create a blank document, and then for the title, contract. Anyway, this will not show on the email, just for us to test. Let's just create a new document. Zappier testing, and then let's go to our docs, and then okay, so a new contract was made. So now let's check our boss or my boss email. Let's just wait for it. Here, we received the email stating that I, the secretary, created a new contract for our client. So let's click this. Then it will show, hi boss, I created a contract for our new client. Please check and sign. So there, we successfully made a Zap. This automation will be beneficial for both of us, I as a secretary and to my boss, because we won't have to message or to contact each other every time every time I created a new document, or every time my boss wanted to check if I already made a document. So my boss will just check her email to see if I already made a document. And on my part, I will just create a document, and then it will automatically notify my boss every time I created a new document. So that's it. That is one of the ways that I can help you regarding automation using Zappier web app. And again, my name is Marinel Darm, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!